to roll up low and drive you una mast fuego. Drift VIC.
We at the lot, wheels hot, everything down, grip just right and the vibe real wow. Someone say yo, it's time for a break. Nodes all around like it's high stakes fate. Safety meeting, code words roll, no need to explain. Everybody knows the goal. Me and Dom dip quick, real casual stroll. Cardio with the park, gotta keep that soul home. No rush, just hush, clear skies above. Air feeling heavy with the side of that love. Laughs in the wind, shoes scuffing the stone. Then we back to the lot, fully back in the zone. We drift and we vibing, not a care inside. Had a little meeting, now the line feeling tight. Throttle on point, mind feeling free. We just out here gliding like it's poetry. No stress, no noise, just the hum of the tone. Full send with the crew, yeah, we ride in the zone. Safety first, then we slide with grace. RC Drift fam, this our sacred place. Back at the pit, eyes low, but I'm sharp. Our Vugier angle got me painting like art. Me and the gang locked in like mesh gears. We don't need words, just cheers and cheers. Someone whisper, yo, round two at the gate. Now I'm dialed in now, content fake. The chassis gripping like it read my mind. Tandem run so clean, it should be a crime. It's rhythm, it's soul, it's a subtle tone. Recharge complete, now I'm back in the zone. Cafe frap in hand, mix a chillin' skill. This ain't just a hobby, it's a way to feel real. We drifting, we vibing, not a care inside. Had a little meeting, now the line feeling tight. Throttle on point, mind feeling free. We just out here gliding like it's poetry. No stress, no noise, just the hum of the tone. Full send with the crew, yeah, we ride in the zone. Safety first, then we slide with grace. RC Drift fam, this our sacred place.
Yo, Dolph, cardio later.
You know it, bro. But right now, let's slide. Yo, it's your boy Mark, camera in hand, catching sideways motion in the land of Japan. Can ride a shotgun, a true native son. Know every rhyme and joint and every RC run. We rent the Alpha, rolling out clean. Black van looking like a drift team dream. On expressway, stars over skyline. Ken's on waves, I'm setting up the tripod. Prime time, from Mayan to Nico, Ibisu too. Slide with legends, man, they know what to do. We pull up with that RC, Japanese flair. You drift, I film, we take you there. We take your RC, drifting in Japan. We're the real Japanese, man, your own cameraman. Hop in the Alpha, rolling through the land. Come meet the homies at the dopest tracks, damn. Call us Ken and Mark with the insider plan. Slide that chassis, Yokomo in your hand. From the pit to the wall, it's all first hand. RC drift tours only in Japan. What's up, I'm Ken, this ain't no brochure. We taking you deeper than a travel tour. Speak the lingo, drift the lunge low. Pull up to the lot where the locals go. From Drift Stadium to Chiba Base, where the tire smoke mixed with the takoyaki taste. Food to buy servos, she bout to grip. Locals testing gear on a midnight trip. You ain't seen drift till you seen this vibe. We ain't just watchers, we part of the tribe. I'll intro the squad, Mark will catch the shot. You'll be talking about this tour more than your last one. Watch, we take you RC drifting in Japan. We're the real Japanese, man, your own cameraman. Hop in the Alpha, rolling through the land. Come meet the homies at the dopest tracks, damn. It's Ken and Mark with the insider plan. Slide that chassis, Yokomo in your hand. From the pit to the wall, it's all first hand. RC drift tours only in Japan. We got custom jar Ks, we got style and finesse. Watch an old dude throw angles that'll leave you impressed. I'm talking decade of drift in these garages and sheds. While you film TikToks, we make real street cred. Catch a smoke trail glow under fluorescent lights. At a parking lot session that rolls all night. You learn the culture, the roots, the soul. Not just the surface, we give you the whole. From Tokyo to Osaka, we got love in the pits. Come slide with us, this is real drift, no tricks. We take you RC, drifting in Japan. With the real Japanese, man, your own cameraman. Hop in the Alpha, rolling through the land. Come meet the homies at the dopest tracks, damn. Also book that seat, it's time to expand. RC dreams made real by hand. cannon mark. That's the brand. RC Drift Tours only in Japan. Son of the chief is double happiness for me. You cannot have it, police start harassing. They don't like my habits, saying these the last ones. They gon' need a paddy, wagging for my passion. When I die, they gon' see me with a carton. Give me some maroons, not the ones that come from Darwin. The old me would've told you beg my pardon. Now I put the sticks from the sleeve like it's card tricks. Don't you text me on my love. The budget they were cutting, so they put it on the SIGs. Some politicians' pay was the same as what it is. So I met a guy who make them for a price and did a bid. Said the name was Anthony, but don't be calling him that. It's Cousin Tony, that's the name. Met him on the line and now he's met me at the train. Told him, look, there's no point in trying to change me. The only thing I fear is government and babies. Don't you text me on my love. Easier to buy drugs, getting new IDs every month, trying to try some. Don't you try to tell me that it's evil, that's a damn lie. Blowing out the sun like it's suntan hand sanitizer. He was born a little genius, making little errors probably cause he need Jesus. I am the son of the chiefest, double happiness for me is Jesus. Yeah.
For the real ones, RC Drift VIC from the car parks to the comp scene. Melbourne, we sideways. Let's talk history. Started out at Monash on them Friday nights, under yellow street lights, flipping tight rights, 50-50 setups, no gyro cheats. Counter steer dreams on them university streets. Somebody brought carpet, laid it down bold. We drifted that joint like it was Tokyo Gold. Grip tape shoes, zip tie crews before the likes and the follows. We paid them dues, then came the drop. MST FXD, rear wheel drive, changed the whole damn scene out west. S-Mob-DA lit the fuse with the purpose. Built track, now we couldn't lose. But Monash faded, the car park went ghost. And online beef turned the keyboard both. Chirping on forums, throwing fake shade, but we stayed focused, let the RC speak self-made.
It's Melbourne slideways, throttle and pride. From uni car parks to comp statewide. We fell, came back, now the coach is clean. Thanks to Embassy Plaza, they revived the scene. Now it's RC Drift, yeah, we taking control. From our road, we fought battles to that full lock soul. We drifting together, not just blowing smoke. We the ones who kept the Melbourne dream woke.
Embassy Plaza, opened up the gates, gave a home to the sliders. No more debates, lines tight like zip ties on a Yokomo build. Every corner hit clean, every silence thrill. Now we rock comps, barbecue and vinyl nights. From Box Hill East to them Footscray lights. RC Drift VIC, that community thread. We ain't just skids, it's respect street cred. Remember, it ain't just about the throttle pulls. It's about showing up, sweeping floors, keeping it cool. From the lost lots to permanent plots, we built this together. This is Melbourne slideways, throttle and pride. From uni car park
buffer gleaming and them Yokomas gliding. Remote in my hand, yeah, I'm setting the pace. But first things first, hit the cafe for that taste. Barista know me, I don't even gotta ask. 2 coffee fraps, cold brew full blast. She smiling like y'all back drifting again. I'm like, track day, baby, tell your boss we need 10. We sipping fraps while we drift that line. Steam from the cup, but the tires burn fine. Cafe run quick, now the whole squad charge. RC gang in the lot, taking corners real large. Frapper in hand, don't spill when I flick. Faint like a legend, throttle real slick. Latte or mocha, vanilla swirl twist. RC Drift Kings, fueled by that bliss. Hey yo, frat phone got me floating like a chin cane. Pulling angles so hard, they thought I went insane. Got that caffeine grip like a Yokomo tire. Mid-turn sip, man, I never miss fire. We don't spill, nah, that's skill, not luck. Hit the apex while I'm stirring with my eco-friendly cup. Mark on the camera, catching all the finesse. And Ken got the beats bumping, pure Drift Express. We sipping fraps while we drift that line. Steam from the cup, but the tires burn fine. Cafe run quick, now the whole squad charge. RC gang in the lot, taking corners real large. Frapper in hand, don't spill when I flick. Faint like a legend, throttle real slick. Latte or mocha, vanilla swirl twist. RC Drift Kings, fueled by that bliss. I got caramel drizzle and a counter steer vision. Snapback tilted, that full lock precision. We ain't just driving, man, we choreograph the flow. With a frapper in my hand like it's part of the show. Track marshals laughing how they drifting with cups. We just wink back saying, skill and good luck. From Calder Park pits to that soda girl scene. Cafe life and drift life, you know what we mean. So if you see the smoke and the sweet coffee scent, know we out there sideways, money well spent. From the cafe to the curb, we the kings of the whip. RC Drift with a frap, that's the ultimate trip.
Now skirt skirt. Now give me that ice one with extra cream, baby, baby, yeah.